at all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon,
So
ma'am.
we have studied the algebraic identity last class. It is x plus y whole cube, isn't it? X plus y whole cube. Okay, children? So we'll do the expansion of it. Okay, children? So x plus y whole cube is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So will you please tell Adidev, what is the identity? X plus y
X
whole
plus
cube.
y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y
Y plus
plus 3x y square plus
plus
y cube.
y cube. And middle terms we combined together and we have taken that 3xy outside and we got the answer as 3xy into x plus y. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So up to that we studied, right? So we'll
Yes.
do some questions based on that. First question is expand a plus 2b all cube. A plus 2b all cube. So it is our identity. Identity is x plus y whole cube and it is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Isn't it? So a plus 2b whole cube is a cube plus 3 into, in place of x it is a square into 2b plus 3 into a into 2b all square plus 2b all cube. And a cube plus 3 into a square into 2, that is 6a square b plus 3 into a into 4b square plus 8b cube. And it is a cube plus 6a square b plus 12ab square plus 8b cube. Okay, children?
Amen.
So write it. And next question onwards, you have to do like this. It is a very simple question. Expansion is very simple. Okay. Okay, children, did you finish writing? Shall I give the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second question is, shall I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the others? Melvin, Badra, Rifa, Aditya, Aman, Pratyush, Vishnu, shall I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the second question is expand itself. Expand. It is 3a plus 4b all cube. 3a plus 4b all cube. Three a plus 4b all cube. Some calculations are there. So you take care when you do it. Savio came, no?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Aman Shakir is there?
Yes,
And Mary
ma'am.
Anthony? And Mary is not there. Arjun is there. Ashik Pateri did not reach. Emil is there. Emil? Emil? Emil not there. Hadidi? Hadi? Haya Fatima? Fia Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hen Steve? Johan came? Johan? Not there. John Samuel reached. Rizwan did not come. Lolita did not come. Meghna, Melvin, Mohammad Aman did not come. Nas, Nirubama, Surya, Ruhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Rizwan is there. Ruhan is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Rosebi. Haya just came only. Okay, children. Did you get the answer? Did you get the answer? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll explain that question. 3a plus 3a plus 4b whole cube. What is the identity? Do you know the identity? Yes.
X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube
Plus. Yes. X cube plus.
3x square y plus
Yes. Good, good, good.
3xy square plus y
Okay.
cube.
Wait, plus y cube. So instead of x, it is 3a. So x plus y cube, you write it, then you will get you will be used to it when you are frequently writing it. Okay. So 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. and it is 3a plus 4b all cube equal to 3a all cube plus 3 into 3a all square into 4b plus 3 into 3a into 4b square plus 4b all cube. So it is 9, 20, what is 3a all cube? 3 into 3 into 3. Is it 27? 3 into 3 into 3, 3a all cube.
27.
27a cube. 27a cube plus 3 into 9a square into 4b plus 3 into 3a into 4b square is 16b square plus 64b cube. Okay, and it is 27a cube plus 3 into 9 into 4. What is the answer?
108.
Okay, 108. Did all of you got this? 108?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
ma'am.
got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
108 a square
Yes, ma'am.
b plus, what is the next one? What is the next one? Is it 144?
144.
Yes,
Yes,
b
ma'am.
square plus 64.
16.
64.
64.
64 b cube. Okay, children. Okay, children, listen. Now, it is x plus y all cube. Now we will move to the other identity with the minus. Okay, x plus y all cube. After x plus y all cube, we will go to the minus of it. If a plus b all square, we are studying a minus b all square also. So a plus b all cube, then a minus b all cube. Both we are studying. So we'll do that. Okay, next we are going to study the identity. Identity. Which identity number? Number?
6.
No.
7.
7.
7.
Identity 7. Identity 7. Okay. And it is identity 7. Seventh identity. Look at carefully. Identity 7. It is x minus y all cube. And it comes like this. First one, no problem. X cube. And next number comes as negative. Minus 3x square y. Okay, children. Minus 3x square y. Next one is plus 3xy square minus y cube. Okay. That is alternately plus and minus. Just look at carefully. First one is positive, second one is minus, third one is plus, and fourth one is minus. Plus minus like that. Okay, children? So alternately plus minus. First number is plus. First term is plus x cube. Then minus 3x square y. Then it is positive plus 3xy square minus y cube. Okay, children? Or we'll do the other version of it also. Okay, children, will you tell how to write it? Anyone? Will you tell how to write? X minus y all cube equal to x cube. No problem. Y cube also you cannot do anything. And can you see these two terms? Yes? Yes, children? This middle term, which is the common number there?
3xy.
3xy, but we will take minus 3xy. Minus 3xy we will take. So that the first term you should get a positive number. So when you take minus 3xy from this, what is remaining there? Minus 3xy, all we have taken. What number is remaining? What is the remaining number?
3xy.
Eh?
X and Y.
X and Y.
X here. And what about here? Here we have taken minus 3xy. Minus we have taken there. So that number will become
Positive.
minus y, isn't it? Minus 3xy into x minus. So will you multiply and find out whether we are writing correct or not? Just see. See, children. See this? Just multiply. What is negative 3xy into x? Negative 3xy into x.
Negative x 3x square.
3x square. Why? This term. Okay. Then what is negative 3xy into negative y? Hmm?
3 y
Positive
square.
3x square y. Is it correct now? Is it correct? So
Yes.
when we have taken minus 3xy outside, you will get x minus y inside the bracket. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this you have to study properly. That is x minus y whole cube equal to, I'll write once again. Okay. X minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus 3xy. X cube minus 3xy. So we'll write that minus y cube here as the second term. Minus 3xy into x minus y. So this is the other identity, other version. Same, but we wrote it in a different way. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, all minus. This is easy for you to study now. Okay, children? Other than the first term, all the terms are minus. See, x cube is the positive number, positive term. Then x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, children? Did you note down that? Did you note down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I erase it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give the next question for you. Expand itself, but in form of a minus b whole cube or x minus y whole cube. So, write the question. Expand. First one. 2a minus 3b whole cube. 2a minus 3b whole cube. I will explain it if you want. X minus y whole cube is x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. And here 2a minus b whole cube is 2a minus 3b, right? 3b whole cube is 2a whole cube minus 3 into x square, 2a whole square into right? Are you writing with me? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, 2a whole cube minus 3 into 2a whole square into, now don't write minus over here. We have already taken this minus over this for this number. If you take minus, it will become plus again. So it is 3b. That minus we have already written here, isn't it? Minus 3 into 2a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b whole square minus 3b whole cube. And it is 8a cube minus 3 into 4a square into 3b plus 6a into 9b square minus 27b cube. So it is 8a cube minus 36a square plus 54a square b, 54ab square minus 27b cube. Listen children, did you get the answer like this?
Yes.
Listen children,
Yes, ma'am.
some of you might have thought that instead of negative 3b, why I have taken 3b only? Because this minus, it is x minus y whole cube. See children, this minus, we have already taken here. See, when we expanded, we got the form like this. So this minus indicates we have taken x minus y whole cube. Okay. So no need of again writing that minus 3b. It is positive 3b itself. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. One term is positive, minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Okay. So now need of taking again that minus 3b there. I hope you understood what I am telling. Okay. Okay, children, you want to see the board again? Okay. Since we have taken minus in the expansion, no need of taking that second term again in minus, because we already taken that minus for the expansion. Now, will you do the next question? Second one. Okay, children. Shall we raise it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question is, second one. 1 minute. I'll change the background. Okay, children, second question is 5p minus 3q whole cube. 5p minus 3q whole cube. Five p minus 3q whole cube.
Ma'am, can you say the question once more?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Anyone got the answer? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prajot got? Surya, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vishnupriya, Rifa, Hadi, will you turn on your video? Vishnu also. Hen Steve, Aman Shakir, Fia got, Anchita, Savio. Okay. I think I have to explain it now. So, what is the first term? Will you tell? Yes? What is the first term? Yes, children?
5p cube.
Yes. 5p.
All cube.
1 minute. 5p minus 3q all cube equal to 5p all cube minus 3 into 5p all square into 3q, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 3 into 5p into 3q all square minus 3q all cube. Is it correct, your expansion?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct? So 5p all cube. What is 5p all cube? 125. 5 into
P
5
cube.
into 5. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
125p cube minus 3 into 5p all square. 25p square
Square.
into 3q plus 3 into 5p into what is 3q all square? 9q square root. Did you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 27q cube. And it is 125p cube minus, what is the answer? 25 into 9?
225.
225, correct. 225 p square cube plus 9 into 15 into 9. What is the answer? 15 into 9?
135.
135.
135.
135 pq square minus 27q cube. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we raise now?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we raise? Hadi, Rizwan and all, did you get? Vishnu Vivi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now next question is evaluate using suitable identity. Evaluating using suitable identity. Okay, children. And our question is 104 all cube. 104 all cube. When you see the question, did you get an idea how to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which identity you will be using here?
X plus Y
Plus
all cube.
whole cube.
All cube. Okay, so it is 100 plus 4 all cube, right? But when you use it, you use the other one, second one. What is the second one? X cube plus Y cube plus 3xy into X plus Y. This is good. For this type of question, use this. Okay, children? So what is 100 plus 4 all cube? Can you tell? 100 cube plus
Plus
4
3
cube plus 3
plus
into
3 into 100 into
100 into 4 plus into 100 plus 4. Now we will expand it. 100 cube is 1 after how many zeros? 1 and 6 zeros. Clear? Plus
Yes, ma'am.
4 cube is 64 plus 3 into 100 into 4 is 12 into 100, 1200 into 104. Okay, children, 1 and 6 zeros plus 64 plus 104 into 1200. 1200 into 104.
1304.
No, yes?
1304.
No. 1200 into 104. Just check, is it 124800?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you add totally, you will get the answer as 1124864. Just check whether you got the answer as this.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Okay, children, when you do this, you do the second one, second identity is 2, means second version. Okay, children, do you want to see the slide again? Yes. Shall I erase it now? Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, did you understand how to do it? So that is the identity. Okay, children, shall I leave now? It is time. Okay. If you have any doubt, you ask me for the next class in the next class, okay?
Okay,
I'll send
ma'am.
the homework to do.
Ma'am.
Okay, children, shall I leave now?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.